Hey, fellow business owners. I know it can be stressful. It can be hard. You're going in between playing the tax game, playing the finance game, and you're trying to make sure that you're doing things the right way. Well, I want you to just breathe because you are. And I want you to keep in mind that when you are submitting your paperwork, it's good to identify what kind of loan you're getting. If you're getting a bank statement loan, then you need all pages of your most recent 12 to 24 months worth of bank statements, all pages. Do not scratch anything out. That's called redacting. Then if you're getting a P&L, then what you want to do, some require you to do an audited P&L, which means that your CPA actually has to verify the information. Others just allow you to prepare, and others have your CPA confirmed but not fully audited. So it's a profit and loss statement. I have a link below. If you need a template, you can get that from my store for that. And 1099, you generally are going to need the most recent 2 years of all the 1099s from all of your employers or people who 1099 you. That's going to be really important. Outside of that, you're really going to need the same things. You're going to need ID. You're going to need possibly your social security card. You're going to need asset documents. So although you're using bank statements possibly for income, you still need to make sure that those bank statements also reflect, or whatever other bank statements you're going to use for the money from your down payment and or your closing costs.